What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Spence. I'm back with another video. Last video, I taught you how to source blanks. So this video, I'm gonna teach you how to actually go about printing the t-shirts. But before we get started, I'm gonna need you to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And ring the bell for me too. I'm trying to get into the YouTube algorithm, so anything really helps. So let's get right into it. All right, so when you go about making t-shirts, there's three main ways that you can go about printing them. The first way is heat press. The second way is screen printing, and the third way is direct to garment. And from top to bottom, that's how it's also priced as well. Heat press being the cheapest, screen print being it's affordable too, but you know what I'm saying, more expensive than heat press, and then direct to garment, which is the most expensive. So let's start off with the heat press. For the heat press, all you need is a heat press. An actual heat press, you can get it from Amazon. You can just search heat press. You can get one for about $150, $200. And then you need to get your designs into screens, heat press screens and transfers. So all you need for that is a couple websites. I'm gonna list some websites below and I'm gonna put them on the screen, but just to name a few, we got hdtransfers.com and we got fmexpressions.com. Normally when you go about heat transfers, they're normally really cheap and easy to use. You just order them online, they come to your crib, and then you just, boom, you just print up your blanks. So that's real easy. Only thing about the heat press, the quality is not, you know what I'm saying, it's not really reliable. After a couple washes, it normally goes down the drain, but that's how I started. I started off with heat press. So it helped me and it worked me, and I was able to raise money and, you know what I'm saying, continue to reinvest into myself. So heat press, if you working on a low budget, definitely go with heat press. It's quick, precise, you can do it from the crib too. The next way is screen printing. That's examples like a t-shirt I have on. Screen printing is majority all I use. It's the most reliable. It has the longest lifeline, and it's really affordable too, depending on the color. So with screen printing, it breaks down in colors. So each screen print, you have to get the actual screen for it. So for each color, if you have a 4-color design, you need 4 screens. If you have a 5-color design, you need 5 screens, et cetera, et cetera. So when going about that, you need, what do you need when going screen printing? You need vector designs. So whoever your graphic designer is and everything like that, you need to make sure all your graphics are vector. Normally the screen print companies these days, they can transform your designs into vector, but for extra costs and fees. So to avoid that, just make sure you have your artwork already in vector format. So screen print, like I said, is the most reliable, longest lifeline. That's majority of all the t-shirts you see across the world. Most of them only use screen printing. So the next one is, it's not fairly new, but it's the newest out of the 3, and that's direct to garment. Direct to garment is preferred to use vector graphics because it can just make it more clear, but you don't need vector garments. You can use PNGs, you can use JPEGs, really any kind of file with direct to garment, because they're really just printing the design on the, like on your shirt, like into the shirt. So you can put, like, a lot of people use direct to garment when you work with a lot of colors. So like 6+ colors. So if I have a design with like 10 colors, I'm gonna go with direct to garment, just because it's gonna, screen print is gonna be more expensive for the 10-color design compared to a direct to garment 10-color design. So definitely roll with direct to garment if you got, like I said, a bunch of colors in your design, or even if you don't have a vector file or it's like really complex type of design, then definitely go with direct to garment. So direct to garment normally is the most expensive, just because it's a, you know what I'm saying, it's a newer process and it's working with more colors and newer colors. So yeah, so those are the 3 ways that you can go about printing your t-shirts. And you can find screen printers by just Googling screen printers near me. You can even find direct to garment near me. And then, like I said, just buy your heat press on you could do eBay too, but Amazon, you can buy a brand new heat press on Amazon. And then I'm gonna list 5 websites you can go and get transfers from for heat transfers. Really easy, still come out clean. And yeah, those are 3 ways that I've used and I've used over the years. So hope this video helps you. We'll see you in the next one.